Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Tucson cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. You won't need any special tools for this process, just a new cabin air filter. It's a quick and straightforward job, typically taking less than 10 minutes. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle for this easy replacement. First, open your glove box and make sure it's completely empty of all its contents. Next, you'll see a small dampener arm on the right side. Gently unhook it from its peg. Then, inside the glove box, locate the two stopper clips on each side. Give them a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull them straight out. Now, the glove box will swing down, giving you full access to the filter housing. With the glove box lowered, you'll see a rectangular plastic cover for the filter housing. Pinch the two clips on the right side of this cover to release it, then swing it open. Carefully slide out the old, often very dirty, cabin air filter. Take note of the airflow arrow on the old filter. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points downwards, towards the floor. Once the new filter is in, snap the filter housing cover securely back into position. Now, raise the glove box and reinsert the two stopper clips, turning them a quarter turn clockwise to lock them. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm to its peg on the right side. Finally, close your glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter for cleaner air.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.